Creatio CRM is an intuitive tool that combines sales, marketing, and service automation to help businesses build and manage customer relationships. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to using Creatio. Get started with setup. After logging in, configure your account settings, including your company profile and user roles. Creatio's dashboard is highly customizable, so adjust it to show key metrics and frequently used features like sales, contacts, and leads. Add contacts and accounts. Navigate to the contacts and account sections to add your customer and company information. You can import data from spreadsheets or edit manually. Creatio links contacts to accounts, helping you see the connection between people and organizations. Manage leads and opportunities. Go to the lead section to track potential clients. When a lead is ready, convert it into an opportunity to monitor its sales progress. Use stages to organize opportunities from initial contact to close deal, allowing you to track each stage of the sales process. Use marketing campaigns. In the marketing module, create campaigns to reach out to your leads or contacts. Creatio lets you segment audiences and automate email campaigns to nurture relationships. Automate tasks. Creatio's workflow automation is powerful for beginners. Set up automatic notifications, reminders, and follow-up tasks for a consistent, streamlined process.